It's not news to us that trees are very important. They give us shelter, food, and most of all, help keep our environment balanced. There are lots of different types of trees all over the world, and they are different in their shapes, sizes, and also have their own distinctive features and properties. In your lifetime, you may have seen a variety of trees, but there are still certain exceptions that you may have not seen. So without further ado, here is a list of the top 5 strangest trees in the world. Keep watching to the very end to see which tree was crowned king. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 5. Aspen Tree. The aspen trees belong to Colorado and Utah, and during the autumn season their leaves turn a blinding shade of gold and yellow, which when seen against the clear blue skies leaves you astounded in your tracks as they shimmer with an intensity that will put even the brightest of gold to shame. While their beauty is definitely something to be admired, a most interesting thing to know about these aspens is that after a wildfire has swept through, they don't wait around for their seeds to be dispersed, but rather employ an ingenious method. They rapidly clone themselves from shoots that appear from underground stems and roots. What this means is that every aspen in a clump is an identical twin which is held together by one root system. Number 4. The Brazil nut tree. While it is known as the Brazil nut tree, oddly the best place to find Brazil nut trees are in the forest of Bolivia. It's not hard to spot them as they are incredibly tall with ridiculously straight trunks and beautiful large white flowers. Seeds of the Brazil nut tree are arranged like the segments of an orange and have an outer casing about the size of a cricket ball, and are also strong enough to withstand hitting the ground at high speeds. What's interesting is that the nuts of the Brazil nut tree possesses various natural soil chemicals, including several radioactive elements. Number 3. The silver birch. The silver birch can be found scattered across northeastern Europe and is a beauty to behold, especially in the snow, with its impeccable white bark. The reason the bark is white is so that it is able to reflect light. Just like a variety of other trees, the silver birch resides with a fungal partner known as the fly agaric toadstool, which is a stereotypical depiction of a mushroom you see just about everywhere, and also in Mario, with its red and white dotted top. This hallucinogenic and dangerous mushroom has microscopic filaments that plug into the roots of the birch tree and spread out under the forest, shooting up nutrients that the roots aren't quite able to reach. And the tree in return provides the fungus with sugars to maintain their symbiotic relationship. Number 2. The baobab tree. The baobab tree that hails from central southern Africa is certainly one odd-looking tree. It definitely looks like something that was wrongly brought to Earth from outer space. Trunks of the baobab tree are like sponges, and they can expand as they take up water during the rainy season. This in turn attracts elephants that are known to rip off parts of the tree in order to get a drink. The best time to see a baobab tree is at night. This is when its flowers bloom and give off the scent of slightly sour milk, which attracts rats that come to drink its nectar and simultaneously spread its pollen far and wide. Like our list so far? Why not support us by subscribing and liking this video? We would really appreciate it. Number 1. The dragon blood tree. If trees are truly your thing and it excites you to find a one-of-a-kind specimen, then visiting the dry island of Socotra off the coast of Yemen will be the best decision you'll ever make. It is home to the weird, creepy-looking dragon blood trees, which are sometimes just known as the Socotra dragon trees. These trees have an upturned umbrella-like design that makes sure that every drop of water from rain or dew trickles down to the central trunk and eventually makes its way down to the roots. The name of this tree is derived from the blood-red liquid that seeps out of the bark if it is cut or damaged. This is a defense mechanism used against pests and disease and was regarded as a magical cure back in the 17th century Europe. So we come to the end of our list of the top 5 strangest trees. Let us know what you thought of today's video down below in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this was Top 5 TV.